Namaskar, my name is Parth Thosani and I am director and co-founder of Vedical India Wellness, and we have started with a vision of spreading Ayurveda to the new age. So basically we are focused, all our efforts are focused towards that only. Basically I am from B Pharma background, and my entire family is from pharma background only. The reason why I entered in Ayurveda was because once I got a book from Dr. David Frawley, and it was Introduction to Basic Ayurveda. Name somewhat was like this only. And I had no plans to go into Ayurveda or anything, because the family business was such that I was doing B Pharma just to maintain my family business only. But then once I read that book, that purely motivated me to actually explore what's besides this traditional medicine system. And in Ayurveda actually I got like it's much more holistic system, and the new age actually needs to know. What I got clarity from that book, I wanted to actually spread that to the entire nation and to some extent to the entire world. So that's how the passion for Ayurveda grew. Definitely we have never worked before in a B2C model wherein we are directly selling the products to the consumer. We were basically providing services to different companies. But what happened was after this motivation got off, I was in college second year, and I got one product. That time Ministry of Ayush and CCRAS had released one product named as Ayush 82. So I went through the clinical trials. We and my father, everybody are very are having a lot of knowledge about clinical trials and all. So I basically started reading those trials, and what I got to know was that Ayurvedic products are also having that potential to prove themselves as clinically efficient, and that actually the data can measure. Otherwise Ayurveda was known to be magical and all those kind of stuff. But I got to know that Ministry of Ayush and the fraternity at Ayurveda has recently started to make that scientifically evidence-based system. So that is what motivated me really, and I started selling Ayush 82 formula made from some contract manufacturer, and just to see what I could do. So I used to do doctor marketing, because at very same point it was God grace that I was studying about ethical marketing in my college also. So that's how I got to know, okay, this is how to sell, this is the product, let me try how it goes. And I could really feel 1 month, 2 months later, I could feel that patients who have been given that medicine are actually getting lot better and much lesser side effects. So these all small dots inspired me to go towards Ayurveda. And by the time I ended college, I was already selling Ayush 82 in the name of Shubh, that's a brand name. And this is how it all began. But till now I was not aiming for opening a company and doing this thing. After my college ended, I joined my dad's business and then did some things in allopathy, and but every day I had that calling ki I should do Ayurveda only, and even little bit of spreading of Ayurveda per day usually motivated me a lot. So then around 1.5 years later, after finishing my college, I decided, okay, let's jump into Ayurveda, let's do something here. So this is how the company formed, and through various guidances, a lot of people guided me in this thing. This is and they taught me how to teach Ayurveda, how to spread Ayurveda, how to make models of business in Ayurveda, and that's how we began this company, Vedical India Wellness. It got into business in August 2019, that's quite recently. So this is how the journey started, from one product, Shubh, and which really had tremendous results, and I am really thankful to Ayurveda that we could have something to offer like this to the humanity. After we started building that business model, there were a lot of queries from the doctors also, that there is a requirement for this and that. And since I usually went to the clinics myself, I got to know about a lot of things which are required in the today's generation. So we started with some more products, which includes Livocid, that's a liver tonic with a new formula, and that's pretty well among doctors. It's amazing, and it usually improves the appetites within 2 or 3 days. We are quite satisfied with that R&D. And then we brought W Care, that's a female uterine tonic which are prescribed by the doctors, and again the results are really something which helps us feel good about ourselves that we are able to promote this thing. Then we have Vedikoff. Vedikoff is actually an innovative cough syrup. It's not just cough syrup curing infections, it also releases allergy from the sinus. So that's a pretty good and pretty new combination for Ayurvedic fraternity as well. Then we have Restomind. Restomind is a product with ashwagandha, shankpushpi, brahmi, and a lot of other things that rejuvenate our brain and mind. So basically it's a nerve relaxant and a brain tonic. It helps people reduce stress, and in current modern lifestyles there is a lot of space for such kind of products, and Ayurveda does have such, what we say, a very healthy alternative to cure yourself without any adverse effects. For the products, I would say recently we have launched Ayush Quath. The ministry had sent all the manufacturers letter, and we also thought that immunity is a big requirement in today's generation. So Ayush Quath is one of, we have dispersible tablets of Ayush Quath that is helping a lot of the next generation to easily make kadha in just putting one tablet in the hot water, and the kadha is ready. It's like a green tea with amazing essence. We also have some single herb products including Giloy, Ashwagandha, and those which are usually treated by doctors. They are used by doctors, and the formulas are standardized so that the doctors, every time they prescribe, they know that if they are prescribing Vedical products, then the products will be working exactly as they have promised. So that is how we are doing it. One of the innovative product which we have is Fevorem. Fevorem has a lot of immunity boosting herbs like Giloy, tulsi, neem, papaya, and especially Vasaka. So Vasaka was added. The Fevorem product is actually used for treating fevers and infections, and the Vasaka in it is especially a demand of Ayurvedic practitioners, so that the blood stays binded and it doesn't have much adverse effect to the body also. So that is our product range, and we look forward to introduce new products each and every quarter. About marketing our products, it's actually my tilt of mind is such that I would like to go only through ethical marketing. Right now also we are selling the products only through ethical marketing, and we are only in search of doctor prescriptions, because that's how the real Ayurveda can reach to the people. I know a lot of companies are doing online marketing. It's cheaper, it's faster, it's a lot more, it generates a lot more ROI, but my passion is not to sell my products but to improve the way Ayurveda is actually functioning right now. So that's only possible if doctors intervene in between, and if the doctors are getting promoted, if the doctors are having more business, that's how Ayurveda grows, and that's how we grow. So our entire focus is by generating prescriptions from the doctors, and yes, pharma usually terms it as ethical marketing. So that's the way we market our products. Definitely there are some export businesses also which we are undertaking, and we are doing contract manufacturing for major companies, and we have a small database of online customers. So that is what we are doing, but 99.9% of our efforts are in the offline model, in the ethical marketing model, not retail. Regarding the quality, we often pitch to our doctors that our products are very best qualities, but actually what we do behind the scenes is what actually matters. So when I graduated from college, actually I entered into a trading line. So I was trading APIs across the Indian companies, and during that I learned how to source the material, which is the best place to get the material, how the supply chain works. So I have done that firsthand, and what later helped us, like we started from sourcing of the herbs. Basically, we do not go to just a wholesale market and buy the extracts and then start making medicines and just pressing the tablets and selling it into the market. We actually source the whole herbs from the places which they are good at. Example, we are selling Shukher. So Shukher has Jamun Beej, Karela Beej. So these seeds, actually we purchase the whole herbs and then we make the extracts in our facility. And our facility is manufacturing Ayurvedic products since 40 years. So our team is actually quite capable of manufacturing new formulations as well as maintaining the standards and efficacy of the existing ones. That's how we promise our quality, because our entire control, we have a control on our entire supply chain, from purchasing of herbs to how they are packaged, and even after the package, each and every batch has been checked third party. So definitely we have FSSAI, we have GMP, we have WHO GMP facility coming up. A lot of things are going on, but beyond the certificates also, we work on actually the purchasing of herbs, which matters a lot in Ayurveda. I know it doesn't matter much in pharma because the processes are quite standardized over 50 years, but in Ayurveda, since the commercial manufacturing is quite new, I would say this is what the industry needs right now, to source it properly, to source it from where it should be sourced. That's what my say is. So our manufacturing unit, named as Lagran Herbs in Pharma, it is situated in Haridwar, and we are also coming up in Delhi. It's 40 years old manufacturing unit, and we are only making Ayurvedic products for a lot of different companies, a lot of states, and we are even exporting those products to a lot of nations. So that's our manufacturing expertise. See, when I started marketing my products, what happened was that I could see there was a lot of competition in the market, in the offline market as well as in the online market. But there was a trend that people in Ayurvedic sector were keeping the charges up. You know, it was the prices were too high, the MRP was too high, and it was actually not possible to reach out to the normal Indian citizen living in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. So our entire pricing model, yes, it's only focused for the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities, as well as the quality in mind we keep in mind is for the tier 1. So basically we are having a very niche thing here, that the quality is much better, and the price what we are offering, you can compare it to any other company which is really selling well in the market. So an average person, a tier 2 city person, tier 3 city person can purchase our medicine without any problem. So that is what we keep in mind. If a doctor writes a product, that means that product is very important for the patient, and the money should not be the barrier for the product and for the good health he wants. So that is what our aim is. Ayurveda has a big legacy in our history. It is, thousands and thousands of years old, and I pretty much say that Ayurveda has kept India healthy for millenniums. If you open our website, it's written like that only. So, but from now on also, the entire economic model of India has changed. In fact, the health sector model has changed, and it is now focused on doctors basically. The pharma, the allopathy, everybody has proved that doctors are basically the ones who have complete knowledge of the product, of the health, and basically if the doctors are moving forward, the entire medicine system will go on. I would like to give an example about the TCM, traditional Chinese medicine. So my interest was how Ayurveda grew, and I studied TCM. Though how TCM grew was they promoted their doctors. The doctors had one of the supreme say in how the patient treats, and the first thing that doctors had was the moral in TCM, which India also has. So if the doctor is moral, and if the government supports the Ayurvedic model through promoting the BMS doctors and all the Ayurvedic practitioners, then I guess Ayurveda has a very, very bright future in India. I would like to thank the Ministry of Ayush that their efforts at the macro level is helping a lot for the startups like us. I would like to say. Initially, when I started selling Ayurvedic medicine, the entire family and everybody knew कि अरे आयुर्वेद तो बहुत अच्छा दवाई नहीं माना जाता है, दिस एंड दैट, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज टू से अरे मॉडर्न मेडिसिन अलग है, आयुर्वेद तो बहुत पुराना टाइम का है. बट ऑल द नोशन एक्चुअली चेंज्ड व्हेन मिनिस्ट्री स्टेप्ड इनटू इट, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल दैट यू स्टार्टेड दिस रेवोल्यूशन, you started this change, and your efforts are actually we could see in the lives of youth actually, I would say, because see, one generation up, people, my grandma, dadaji, dadiji, everybody believed that yes, Ayurveda worked, but the entire generation after that has skipped Ayurveda. Everybody was in the allopathy. But now again, the next generation, I could see people are preferring Ayurvedic products a lot. So that's a big thank you to the Ministry of Ayush. Your campaigns are really doing good. So as the vision goes, my mother actually inspired me to work for Ayurveda, and her vision is कि बस अच्छाई पहुंचनी चाहिए लोगों से, and अच्छाई, मन की अच्छाई भी पहुंचनी चाहिए, मगर उसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हमारी जो बॉडी है वो भी अच्छी रहे. एंड इंडिया इज़ डूइंग अ लॉट थ्रू योगा, एंड सेकेंड द अपकमिंग थिंग इज़ आयुर्वेदा. सो वी वॉन्ट टू बी दैट part of Ayurveda movement where, you know, we can gain trust of people, we have that brand value, we have that brand image, and plus our products work जैसा expected है वो वैसा ही work करे. That's more than a win for us. So हमारा entire vision है to कि जो अच्छाई है वो हम लोग जितने लोगों तक पहुंचा सके हम लोग वो पहुंचाए, एंड उसके लिए जैसा भी रैपर में देना हो दे, चाहे आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट्स हो, चाहे कैंपेन्स हो, चाहे अवेयरनेस कैंपेन्स हो, इट इज़ बुक्स, या वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन आयुर्वेदिक बुक्स सो दैट यू नो पीपल आर जस्ट नॉट डिपेंडेंट अपॉन प्रोप्राइटरी प्रोडक्ट्स टू गेट देमसेल्व्स क्योर्ड. आयुर्वेदा वो पहले ही डिनाई करता है कि आप किसी और पर डिपेंडेंट हो. आयुर्वेदा सेज आप खुद पे डिपेंडेंट बनो, एंड वो खुद पे डिपेंडेंट कैसे होगे इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द राइट नॉलेज. सो बेसिकली विद वेदिकल वी वॉन्ट टू बी सच अ ब्रांड दैट हम लोग राइट नॉलेज लोगों तक पहुँचा सके. That is what our thought is, and definitely there are expansion plans. We want to export Ayurveda to the world, not only our products but that knowledge, that awareness about Ayurveda, definitely we want to export it to the world. And I would even like to, I sometimes dream to work with the ministry कि हम लोग इसको दूसरे देशों में कैसे पहुंचा सकते, कैसे establish कर सकते हैं. And I would definitely like to support our Ayurvedic doctors जो आयुर्वेदा को आगे लेकर जाएंगे. विथ वेदिकल अगर मैं कहूँ कि खाली वेदिकल को ही बड़ा करना है, अगेन वी वुड बी यू नो लिमिटिंग अवर विजन टू अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग. कंपनी को बड़ा करना है वो तो सबका विजन होता है. अवर विजन इज एक्चुअली टू you know expand Ayurveda in a lot more things, and you know improve the acceptability of Ayurveda. और यहाँ तक कि ये भी चाहेंगे कि जो आने वाला जनरेशन है वो फ्रॉम बर्थ टिल द एंड ऑफ देयर लाइफ वो आयुर्वेदिक रिजीम को फॉलो करे, जैसे दिनचर्या कहते हैं. सो अवर एंटायर टीम इज फोकस्ड टू एक्सप्लोर सच अपॉर्चुनिटीज, हाउ वी कैन डू दैट एंड हाउ टू अचीव दैट. That's one of the expansion plans. That's actually the why of the company, which I would say. Expansion plans, definitely we are exporting to a lot of countries, and we would like to have more and more export options because our quality, our manufacturing processes are so good. And in India, I would like to say कि our expansion plans are that each and every doctor recognizes us as a very authentic and a very reliable brand. And yes, we could reach someday to the each and every prescription doctor writes. That's what our vision is.